Get comfortable with English in comfort. This is your English listening practice podcast to help you learn and improve naturally.
English phrases are such an important part of everyday English. But here's the thing, they don't always make sense literally. Take phrases like, when pigs fly, or the elephant in the room. If you think about them word for word, they're just strange, right?
Right. That's why you'll need to familiarize yourself with their meanings. By familiarize, I mean, get used to understanding what these phrases actually represent. It's not about translating the words. It's about learning the hidden message.
That's right. And once you start recognizing these phrases, your English will sound so much more natural. Imagine using them confidently in conversations. Oh, and for anyone new here, I'm Emily.
And I'm Liam.
This is English in Comfort, the place where you can learn English while you relax, lie down, or even while you sleep. No pressure, no stress. Just natural English for your everyday conversations.
Today, we're sharing 25 English phrases to use everywhere. We'll explain each one slowly with examples, so you can practice and use them for later.
So grab your tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. Okay, let's start with a fun one. Spill the tea. Have you heard this phrase before? Spill the tea.
We hear it all the time. If you think about it literally, it just sounds like a mess in the kitchen.
Exactly. But this phrase doesn't mean dropping your drink. Spill the tea means to share gossip or tell a secret. It's a slang phrase and lots of people use it.
Here's an example. Your friend says, "Did you hear what happened yesterday?" Spill the tea. That just means, tell me what happened.
Or at work. The manager spilled the tea about the new project. That means the manager shared some secret information.
Remember, tea in this phrase means gossip or information. So when someone says spill the tea, they want the story.
Next phrase, when pigs fly. Do pigs fly? No, of course, unless it's a cartoon.
Exactly. This phrase means something will never happen. It's a fun way to say, that's impossible.
For example, I might say, Liam will wake up at 5 a.m. every day.
When pigs fly, it's not going to happen.
Or in a movie, someone might say, he'll admit he was wrong when pigs fly.
You can use this when you're sure something won't happen. It's a funny way to say no chance.
Liam, are you finally going to stop ordering pizza every day?
When pigs fly.
See? He's not giving up pizza. All right, next phrase, get it over with.
This means doing something you don't want to do, but you do it anyway, just to finish it.
Like going to the dentist. You might say, I didn't want to go, but I just got it over with.
Or for work. I was nervous to give the presentation, so I decided to get it over with.
It's about finishing something hard or uncomfortable so you can stop worrying.
Let's try an example.
Okay, did you clean your desk yet?
Yeah, I didn't want to, but I just got it over with.
Nice. Now I can relax.
Next phrase. Let the cat out of the bag.
It means you told a secret by mistake. So, if you were trying to keep something quiet, but you said too much, you let the cat out of the bag.
For example, I told Mike about your surprise party. Oops, I let the cat out of the bag.
Or at work. Don't let the cat out of the bag about the new project. That means don't tell anyone yet.
Let's try a quick example.
Hey, you told Sarah about my promotion, didn't you?
I didn't mean to. I just let the cat out of the bag.
Next phrase. Pull an all-nighter. I'm sure a lot of students experienced this.
Me as well. Pull an all-nighter means you stayed up all night, usually working, studying, or getting something done.
Like, I pulled an all-nighter to finish my assignment.
Or, he pulled an all-nighter before the big exam.
It's not healthy, but sometimes we do it anyway. Let's try it. Liam, why do you look so sleepy?
I pulled an all-nighter editing the video.
Well then, next time, start earlier.
Emily, do you see an elephant in here?
Not a real one, Liam. But sometimes there's an elephant in the room.
Elephant in the room means there's a big problem or uncomfortable topic that everyone knows about, but no one wants to talk about.
Like at a family dinner, your cousin just lost his job, but everyone acts normal. That awkward silence? That's the elephant in the room.
Or at work. The team is upset about the changes. It's the elephant in the room.
You can use this when something important is being ignored.
Let's try it. So, are we really not going to talk about the client canceling?
Yeah, that's the elephant in the room.
Next phrase. On the same page.
If we're on the same page, it means we agree or we understand something the same way.
Like, before we start the project, let's make sure we're on the same page. Or, I explained the rules again to make sure we were on the same page.
Let's try it. Hey, are we meeting at 3 or 4? Just checking so we're on the same page.
Let's meet at 3.
All right, next phrase. Get cold feet.
Get cold feet. It sounds funny, but it means feeling nervous at the last minute, especially before doing something big.
Like before a speech or an interview or even a trip, you might say, I was excited at first, but I got cold feet right before going on stage.
Or, he planned to move abroad, but he got cold feet and canceled everything.
It's not about being afraid of everything, just that moment when you suddenly feel unsure.
Use this phrase when nerves take over, even if you were confident before.
Next phrase, in hot water.
In hot water means being in trouble, usually because of something you did.
Like if you forget your homework, your teacher might say, you're in hot water this time.
Or, he's in hot water with his boss for missing the meeting.
So it's about being in a difficult situation. Use it when someone's facing consequences for their actions.
Next phrase, out of the loop.
Out of the loop. Like if your friends made weekend plans and forgot to tell you, you could say, I feel out of the loop. It's a casual way to say you've missed information or weren't included.
Or at work. I didn't get that email. Am I out of the loop again? Use this phrase when you're feeling left out. Not in a dramatic way, just honest.
Liam, how was your weekend? Did you get a chance to just chew the fat with anyone?
I did. And just to be clear, nobody's eating fat here. This phrase means having a long, casual chat, like when friends sit and talk about anything and everything.
For example, we stayed up late chewing the fat about childhood memories and random stuff.
Or, after the meeting, we chewed the fat about weekend plans. Just small talk, nothing serious.
Great for describing those slow, easy conversations with people you're comfortable with.
Next phrase, wolf in sheep's clothing.
I really love this phrase. A wolf in sheep's clothing is someone who pretends to be kind or safe, but really isn't. It's from an old story about a wolf hiding in a sheep's skin to trick others.
Like a coworker who acts nice but then blames you for mistakes. That's a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Or, that message looked real, but it was a wolf in sheep's clothing. It was a scam.
This phrase helps you describe situations where someone hides their true intentions.
Next phrase, burning bridges.
Burning bridges means ending a relationship or opportunity in a way that you can't fix later.
If you leave a job and shout at your boss, you've burned that bridge. You probably can't go back.
Or, she burned bridges with her friend by sharing private messages. The trust is gone.
It's used when someone acts without thinking and damages something important.
Next up, rule of thumb.
It means a simple guideline that works most of the time.
It's a phrase for practical tips. It's great when you want to give helpful advice without sounding too strict.
For example, a good rule of thumb is to save 10% of your income.
Or, as a rule of thumb, I don't drink coffee after 4 p.m. It's not a strict rule, just advice that usually works.
Okay, next phrase. Sharp as a tack.
Sharp as a tack means very smart or quick to understand things.
For example, my nephew is sharp as a tack. He finished the puzzle in minutes.
Or, The new intern is sharp as a tack. She picks things up really fast.
It's a friendly compliment. You can use it when someone is clever, quick, or just really good at thinking on their feet.
Emily, what's your plan for the weekend?
Not sure yet. I'll just play it by ear.
This phrase, play it by ear, means to decide as you go. You don't make a strict plan. You wait and see what happens.
For example, we don't have to plan everything for the trip. Let's play it by ear.
Or in a meeting. The schedule changed, so we're playing it by ear today.
Next we have, get your foot in the door.
Get your foot in the door means getting a small chance that could lead to something bigger.
Like applying for an internship just to get your foot in the door at your dream company. It's not the final goal, but it's a smart first step.
It's like holding a door open with your foot. Once it's open, you can go further in.
Hit the ground running.
Hit the ground running means to start something quickly and confidently.
For example, she hit the ground running on her first day and finished 3 tasks before lunch.
Or when you move to a new city. We hit the ground running, exploring and meeting people on day 1.
Next phrase is comforting. Light at the end of the tunnel.
It means you can finally see things getting better after a hard time.
Like working on a long, stressful project. When things improve, you see that light.
Or recovering from illness. I've been sick for weeks, but now there's light at the end of the tunnel.
It's often used to give people hope.
Next phrase, mind your own business.
It means don't get involved in things that aren't about you.
It's a way to say, that's not your concern.
For example, I asked about her fight with her best friend, and she said, mind your own business.
Or at work. He always comments on what others are doing. He should really mind his own business.
It just reminds people to respect others' space.
Ever feel so tense you just need to blow off steam?
Ugh, all the time. Blow off steam means letting out built-up stress or frustration, usually in a healthy way.
For example, after a long day, I blow off steam by going for a run.
Or, I need to blow off steam. Want to grab coffee and vent a little?
It's about not letting stress pile up.
Next phrase. Rome wasn't built in a day. This phrase is a really good reminder.
Yeah, it means big goals take time and effort. Progress isn't instant.
Like with English, you won't be fluent overnight. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Same with fitness or learning any skill. It takes patience.
In short, Rome wasn't built in a day means progress takes time.
Next we have, go down in flames.
It means failing badly and publicly, especially after high hopes.
It paints a strong picture. Failure that's loud and noticeable. For example, they launched their app with big dreams, and it went down in flames.
Or, the team made the finals but totally went down in flames.
Next up, we have walk on eggshells. Ever feel like one wrong move will upset someone? That's walking on eggshells.
It means being extra careful not to make things worse, especially around someone moody or sensitive.
Example. Since the argument, I've been walking on eggshells around him.
Or, everyone's walking on eggshells at work after the new manager started.
It's about being extra careful to avoid upsetting someone.
Can you believe we've already made it to phrase 25?
Time flies when you're having fun.
Right. Time flies when you're having fun, which is our last phrase. This means fun moments always feel short.
For example, we talked for hours. It felt like minutes.
Or during a trip, the vacation ended too soon. Time really flew.
And that's it. We hope these 25 phrases help you feel more confident using English in daily life conversation.
Replay this whenever you need, while relaxing, commuting, or just brushing up.
Don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't for more English listening and speaking practice.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing and take care, everyone.